Hi everyone, this is Jeff from WiFiCastle.com, and in this short 5-minute video I'm going to show you how to set up an access list to only allow certain wireless network cards to get onto your router. You can use this security setting in conjunction with the data encryption and the passphrase that we put in the basic security settings before. This is effective if you have a set number of computers on your network and you know they're not going to change, you're not going to add or take any away. So you're just going to make a list of all the wireless network cards in your office or your house. You're going to put them in the router, and that way only those machines can get on, regardless if they have the passphrase or not. So for instance, if a laptop comes into your environment, they know the passphrase for your network, they're still not going to get on because they're not on the list. So it's an added security measure. It's easy to do. The first thing you need to do is find all the network cards in your environment and get the MAC addresses. The MAC address looks like this, and it's called MAC address, hardware address, or physical address. You can find this data on the back of the network card if it's a USB style network card that you plug in and out of your laptop, or it'll be on the box that you bought it. If you've got wireless network cards that are embedded in the machines, like laptops now obviously have wireless network cards in the machine, you can't take those out and look at them, so you've got to find a different way. So here's what you do to find the MAC address of your card. This is a Windows 7 interface, so it may be a little bit different than what you've seen, but if you have Vista, it looks pretty much the same. If you have XP, then this doesn't change very much. Just a subtle change. So this is the start button. So in XP, obviously, you're going to hit start. Hit start, go to run. In Windows 7 and Vista, run may not be here. They kind of buried it. So it's in all programs, accessories, run. So once you get there, you type in CMD and hit OK. A command prompt will come up. And you type in this command, ipconfig space -all, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, all the information about your network hardware comes up. You're looking for wireless network adapter here. I don't have one on this machine, so it's not going to say wireless, but I mean, you get the gist here. So this will say wireless. Once you see the word wireless network adapter, or WLAN adapter, WLAN, that's where you go underneath and you look for the physical address. And here's the physical address. As you can see, it looks like this. So once you have all these, then we add all of these network cards to the list. So you go into the router, go to wireless up top here, and you're going to see the heading wireless MAC filter. So it's disabled by default because that's just the way Linksys sets it up. It'd be a lot more difficult for people to get on the network if this was enabled with no MAC addresses. So when you hit enable, you choose permit computers to access the network, and then you add these MAC addresses in each of these slots. Linksys can handle up to 50. Most likely you're going to have 10 or under, and you just take these numbers here and you put them in here. Now notice that that's not the same format. So, because they don't have dashes here. You're gonna have to put them in this format, so you can do it a couple ways. You can change these dashes and do a copy paste, or you can just type them in. Either way though, Linksys wants these in this format. Once you've done that and you put all the MAC addresses in, you're going to hit Save Settings. When you hit Save Settings, It's a done deal, and now only the MAC addresses, only the hardware, or only the wireless network cards that are listed here can get onto your router. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to www.wificastle.com.